okay, let's read out the problem. A car is moving along a straight line, say OP as shown in figure below. It moves from O to P in 18 seconds and then return P to Q in 6 seconds, right? Then what is the average velocity? It's from O to P and from O to P and then back to Q. Does the magnitude of average velocity differ than average velocity? Give your reasons for your answer given the graph, right? So let us proceed with the solution of this problem, right? So like these kinds of questions are very simple in nature, but what we need to do, we need to focus on the given coordinates, right? So let us write the average velocity. Average velocity is nothing but displacement by time interval, right? Displacement by time interval or time taken, right? So let us write time. Let us write time interval, right? So let us write time interval, right? So from O to P we need to find, right? So the coordinate of O is 0 and the coordinate of P is 360, right? So let us write like V bar. This will be representing our average velocity, right? So let us connect O to P. Let us draw a straight line. Let me use a different color for this. So let us draw the straight line. We have drawn the straight line as well. Now the car has moved from O to P, right, in a rectilinear motion, right? So this is an example of rectilinear motion. So it will be plus 360 because 360 minus 0 will be plus 360 divided by total time. Total time is given as 18 seconds. So we'll be writing 18 seconds. So what we'll be getting? Plus 20 seconds, 20 meter per second, right? So this will be my average velocity for first case. And let us calculate the average speed as well. Let us write average speed. Let us write average speed, right? This is nothing but this will be equal to the total distance divided by total time. The distance was 360 meter and the total time is nothing but 18 seconds. So this is plus 20 meter per second. So in our first case, our average velocity and average speed are same, right? When body moves in a straight line, right? And then like let us take the second case from O to P and then back to Q. So we have already taken this case O to P. Now what we can do, we can just add in this, right? We can just add in between from P to Q, right? It is returning. So let me use a green color for this so that it gets highlighted and it is easy for us to understand. So the total displacement will be from 0 to 240 and then 360 minus 240 means the net will be nothing but this will be plus 240 divided by total time. This is 18 plus 6 seconds. Why 6? Because it is returning back, right? So in equal interval of time, because this is a uniform motion, right? So it is covering, so it will take only 6 seconds, right? So this was my average velocity 10 meter per second and average speed will be nothing but total distance. This time this will be 360 plus 120, right? Because 360 minus 240 is 120 divided by total time, that is 24 seconds, right? So this is my answer. Thank you so much.